Start out by painting your board with DIY White Swan. Just a solid coverage of the white paint is good. We're gonna stamp this with the IOD Butterflies stamp. Take the butterfly and pull him off. Now you have a textured side and a smooth side. Take the textured side and lay it on your project. We're gonna take the plastic sheeting that was on top of there, and we're gonna lay it right on top of that butterfly. What this does is it acts like a carrier. So now you can stamp a lot easier than just holding on to that stamp. IOD ink in black and an IOD ink pad, all loaded up in black. And stamp the back of your stamp, the textured area. Then take your carrier, line it up, let it down, and then press. This paint is dry. There is no clear coat on here, so that ink just grabs right into that dry paint. Then you're gonna pull it off, and you have a butterfly stamped. Let them dry really well. See that there? This one got a mark on the top and the bottom. A little artist brush cleans it right up. Now we're gonna take Hey Sailor and Marquee. That is a really pretty red and a navy blue. Put a little bit out onto a paper plate, a piece of plexiglass, whatever you have available. You're just gonna wanna take it out of your container. We're gonna take a little bit of red and do the same thing. And give your paint just a squirt of water, and your project you're gonna mist. You wanna mix the paint on your paper plate with a little bit of water, so it's a little bit runnier than normal. And then come up on your butterfly and watercolor him in. Then I'm gonna give him a nice squirt to let those colors kind of watercolorish look. And I'm gonna pull some of that off. Then we're gonna go in with the red. So we're gonna give that indication of a red stripe up there. It's gonna come across here as white and another one as red. Some of his colors are running. I don't mind that at all. My next one, I'll show you how we do that more. ready for a little splatter. So there it is without. You can totally leave it just as is. Or you can take it to the next level and do just a tiny bit of splatter. To do that, you're gonna want to take your red paint and water it down just a touch with your Mr. Bottle. Take a palette knife and get it on your palette knife. Hold your palette knife like this and fling it back. A lot of paint like this, I like to spray with this 2x clear just to seal it up before I give it a coat of Big Top. It helps to not have those colors run together if you're trying to seal it a little bit too soon. I'll add some clear wax on my wax brush. Little dark wax. What my dark wax is going to be used for is the edges. Darkening up those edges, giving that wood a nice stained look. Then you'll take a soft cloth and buff some of that dark off. Giving it a nice aged look. Two projects completed. I hope you enjoyed this video. It really is fun in the summertime to find all those different projects that help bring out the nature and the traffic and also the Americana look. I do love a little 4th of July, a little Memorial Day look and seasonal decor in the house at that time. Thanks again, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe and give me a like. Make sure you follow along. Oh, where's my barn? Make sure you follow along, give me a subscribe and a like, and find all the products on thepaintedphotographer.com.